Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what will I feel. I wish that it would go and let me cry in bed, and let me be alone again. The only girl I care about has gone away, looking for a brand new start. But later that's to know that when she left that day,
row your boat, get it up the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
oh, she stole my heart away when she don't care. I can never know in my heart somewhere far away. The only girl I care about has gone away.
Here I met this guy who was selling coffee here with his wife and kid. They've been to many countries with this blue wine, from Thailand to China, then to Central Asia countries, and finally to Spain. All city stickers on this wine are the cities they've been to.
以前是2个人自由自在，就也不管啥。现在有孩子了，就
你带着孩子还中国？
对，现在还中国。
这孩子这么小不高反？
我们慢慢走啊，我们在你看，在丽江2000多，我们待了20来天。我们以前是背包，这车是今年弄的，就是因为有小孩子一起嘛，小孩子
太厉害了，你改成房车了？
对，都是追逐这种自由的生活嘛。你们骑摩托车也一样嘛。
That guy just told me that on top of this mountain at all times, all snow covered. Now, nothing. Boat.
My God, check the halo surrounding the sun. It's really beautiful. What a wonder. I've never seen such a scenery before. After a short talk, I restarted my trip to a viewing platform where I was supposed to see a very beautiful snow mountain. Here the road has been abandoned due to the tunneling work, so I have to be back here later.
He just told me like he would cook lunch for me and totally for free, but I refused. I was like, if you do that, then buy some more Americano. The Americano right here is really cool because we got materials, raw materials for coffee. It's from some other countries. I don't know, I forgot the name. Those countries. It's really cool and the taste is one of the best I ever tried before. So That's really nice sky.
Here is the Baimar Snow Mountain. This snow mountain has an average altitude of 4,800 meters. The highest peak is 5,430 meters. These mountains belong to a part of Hengduan Mountains. The Hengduan Mountains are a group of mountain ranges in southwest China. The ranges are characterized by significant vertical relief originating from the Indian subcontinent's collision with the Eurasia plate, and further carved out by the major rivers draining the eastern Tibetan Plateau. The Hengduan Mountains are about 560 miles long and 250 miles wide, and run primarily north-south. Hello, Michael. How are you?
Yeah.
I'm your new friend.
Have lunch with Uncle Wei, okay?
Hello.
Okay? Okay, Nan? Okay,
Good. As I finished my snow mountain viewing tour and back to the coffee van, I met a group of true warriors. Those riders were from New Zealand, Germany, or maybe one of them was from Pakistan. They started from Thailand, then to Yunnan province, Tibet, and Xinjiang. Afterwards from Xinjiang, they will pass through Central Asia countries all the way to Turkey. From what I know, they must pay a lot of money for the guide and they have to face a lot of barriers.
Oh my god! Holy moly! There are mountains ahead of me, and the snow-capped, fully snow-capped, and like glaciers from the mountain top, like a hair of a beautiful lady.
Well, check the snow mountains over there. It's Meili Snow Mountain. And I plan to set up my tent over there. There's a concrete pavement. I don't want to fall down.
I'm gonna show you how to do it.
Knows what tomorrow brings. In a world few hearts survive. All I know is the way I feel. When it's real, I keep it alive. The road is long. There are mountains in our way, but we climb the steps every day. us up where we belong, where the eagles cry on a mountain high. Love lift us up where we belong, far from the world below, up where the clear winds blow. Some hang on to used to be, live their lives